I want to show you some small thing which can be made in Kivy and can't be made in Tekinta. Kivy carousel. It's a widget. Look, let's make not with image, but maybe with some word. So the carousel widget provides the classic mobile-friendly carousel view where you can sweep between slides. Swipe. You can add any content to the carousel and have it move horizontally or vertically. Let's copy this. And yes. So maybe we don't need image. And add widget image. So we should add some text. I will show you. You can try it. Maybe we can without carousel, just add text. Add label, Okay, let it be a label. And L0, L0, L1, L1, And let's save it as main.py. So we will run BlueStacks. And through file manager let's copy this main.py. Yes, where did it disappear? Here. Okay, here is our carousel object. Huh? Diet. Huh? Let us close. Okay. Yes. Yes. Let's. I want to add not image, but just text. There was such sample. So we can add any content. Maybe we should try. Uh, inside PyDroid, let's try to make the simplest solution. One, two, save. Huh. Died, huh? Okay. Widget. Add label. They added image, huh? But we want to add not image, but text. Uh, it's too long, huh? This is also too long, huh? We made small sample with carousel. Here they also add image, huh? But we don't want to add image. We want to add text.
Is it possible to increase the size of
Just with big screen, it will be difficult to Google, huh? Add label. So with everyday life of software developer, you spend maybe half of your time for Googling. And then after you find what you need, you connect everything. Uh, so carousel app label. So for label, I think we should import label. Kivy.
label of separate class?
Yes, and separate module should be added. Kivy label example. We our first samples where we didn't use kivy file. If you remember, from kivy UX button import label. So where is our from kivy UX button from import label. So maybe we should close this and try. So it didn't die. Here we can add L1, L0. L1. Okay, let's try. 1. So we should write here 2.
You choose a view and disappear right aside?
Yes, 2. Save.
But now can we do it automatically? It rotates in a 5 second.
Yes, so we can read it from text file. We can type as many words as we want into some text file, for example, in order to remember them, and use them from carousel. Let's try. Python read text file into string list. Okay, text. Maybe we should copy this. Let it read from itself, okay? My file. My file .txt, and let us copy this my file .txt to dsym folder. With PyDroid, let's open this file. Is this copy? Okay. We will not print them. My file .txt, and let's organize a loop for ln in lines, and let's create new labels. lb is label, text will be ln is line, and we should add widget to carousel. What will be here? Here, what will be here? Yes, why lb? Because
it came from
we
this plus LN.
yes, we create label lb, and this text string is placed here, and let's try. It died, huh? My file .txt. Have we got my file .txt? Okay. Let us close everything. Empty carousel, huh? Okay, let's ask how to open local file in kivy. Okay, we should look for the uh, path name inside kivy folder here. But before, we can do the following. We can create some list. My or which words do you want to remember? Huh? To remember some words, for example. Which words do you want to remember? For example, variable. Yes, variable, for example, and loop. What else do you want to remember? Function. Integer, for example. Real, huh? And let's type the following code. For mv in my words, let's create a label. I think we can copy these two lines. If you want to remember something with your mobile device, for example, you want to learn some words of foreign language, for example, words of German. Huh? You can type word in German and word in English. Yes, maybe Chinese. Huh? No.
Can we add here a bit file?
Yes, we can add something bigger.
But can we write the root for this file and use external file from somewhere and put it here?
Yes, yes, yes. We can do. Just we should solve the problem with paths inside this kivy folder. It is possible to solve it. Just we should sit and try.
What about images?
Original sample is with images. Kivy carousel samples. Original sample is with images. Uh, yes, and they place this image file at some place at internet. Yes, and with local location, we should look for the path.
Okay, what about text? Any text, document, article.
Here we placed label object of kivy, but for bigger text, you can also place multi-line text inside label object. Kivy multi-line label. So you can Google and find multi-line samples. For multi-line, okay, let's try some multi-line sample. Real safe. This dot n is the next line feed. You can add as many line ends as you wish.
No, it was not like mine. I thought we have to add big size text, like one page, and use external link. Like
Yes, I understand. So for external link, we should find how to solve the problem with reading a file which is located inside this folder.
for images, it was
For images, they give location of image,
so
not local.
CRC.
Yes.
Can we try to add CRC and
Look, location is not local, but at
that's
internet.
what I need.
Yes. We can also, yes, we can do the same for
And second thing is if the text is too big, too high, and we can do it, it's like running line.
paginator. Do you want to use paginator?
It's like running line automatically.
Okay, it's possible. You can add second vertical carousel inside horizontal one. Here we use horizontal carousel.
What is the difference between horizontal and vertical?
I will show you. Direction will be top, for example. Save and let's run. Direction can be also bottom. Inside one carousel you can place another one.
So, to add a big text, as everyone said, with the pass, first of all, we need to solve the problem with the pass inside
We can read some text. Yes, we should get some text as a list. As a list. Yes.
So if there are several texts,
Every we can use, yes, inside list we can use this /n terminators. Understand?
Yes, it's a simple example. It's that's not what I want. Really did. I really wanted, in my opinion, was like they use like running line, like advertisement somewhere and
Okay. You want
like in a bus station, train station, you can see the running line, big
okay. Understand.
But text not should be inside here. It should be outside somewhere. Any text we can use from the any file, and you can use the source, and it will be taken automatically from there and show like a weather, news, and it will be here.
For this aim, we should use another object of kivy. There are running text objects. I was going to show you a sample with carousel. It can be used to remember some words, for example. So let's try to give you this file. So can we drag and drop it? Let's try. main.py. Let's remove this and drag and drop it here. We've got many windows opened.
Much
Yes. It's not working with drag and drop. Okay.
on main screen, you can take from here and drop it was also I did it before.
No, you brought a file from external source inside BlueStacks, and we want to take it from external source to outside. Drag and drop is not working here. Okay, I will send you through web browser.
Today. Not in my shift.